Hey, welcome in everybody. In this video, I am going to show you how to create polar coordinates number 2 exercise. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to open up my coordinates template. So I'm going to go to templates. I'm going to click on coordinates template. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to click on this where you see line weight display. It's off. I'm going to click that on so you can kind of see our line thickness as we draw it. So I'm going to go up to line. So the first point that I'm going to enter is an absolute coordinate. So I'm going to type in 10, comma, 5, press enter. All right, so then everything else from here on out is going to be polar coordinates. So the next point is going to be at, which makes it relative to where we are, and then 10 less than 0. So it's kind of a relative polar coordinate if you want to get technical. So press enter. Then I'm going to go, the next coordinate is going to be at, where I'm at, 1. I get distracted a lot. 1 less than 90. And then I'm going to go to the left. That's going to be at 4 less than 180. Straight up from here, we're kind of creating the stem to our martini glass, is what it looks like. I'm going to go at 4. No, well, I'm going to go at 9. 90. Yeah. And then we're going to go at 14.14 less than 45. Then we're going to go at 22 less than 180. And then we're just going to kind of create the mirror image of it. So I'm going to go at 14.14. And then less than, this time we're going to go negative 45 to make that angle. Dip back down. We're going to go at 9 less than 270. At 4 less than 180. And then we're just going to finish where we started. We're going to go at 1 less than 270. So just make sure you end up, after you've typed in the coordinates for point number 11, it should end up right where you started. If it doesn't, then you kind of goofed up somewhere. So actually it doesn't end up exactly where it started, does it? Okay, it ends up pretty close to where we started. If you want to, which I'm going to, I'm just going to like close this off. So I'm going to move over to where we started. Click on that little endpoint there. All right, it doesn't end up exactly where it started. But there we go. If you just want to leave a little gap in there, it's cool, because you followed the coordinates and we got what we were assigned. So then just make sure you want to save this. Save. We're going to save it as polar. I already have it saved, but polar coordinates 2. It's going to say, do you want to save over it? Because I've already got one. Yes. And then I recommend before you turn it in, so save it, close out of this drawing, then submit your drawing file to Schoology. And that's really all there is to it. All right. Peace out.